Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to speed up a video on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to speed up your videos, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your app store and install a third-party app for this, which is CapCut Video Editor. You must have to simply search for CapCut and you have to try to install this app. As you can see, I have already installed this. Just have an open option and the app will be opened. Here you just have a cross, and once your app is be opened, just tap on this plus option or the new video option here. Then select the video for which you want to make a speed up or increase the speed. For example, I'm going to select this one. Select the video, then tap on this add option here. Once I've added the video, you will get the added speed of this. Just tap on this added option in the bottom right corner. Then select speed, and you just have to select this curve option here, and then select the flash in option. Once I've selected flash in, you can see that the video speed has been successfully upped. So now tap on this done option here, and here you have to tap on the export option in the top right corner, and here you have to try to export your video. So once the video has been exported, its speed will be automatically up. So in this way, you can easily speed up a video on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.